What's up guys, welcome back to Life of Bliss. Today I've got a new unboxing and overview video for you of the OSD Trevoce J12 12-inch powered subwoofer for your home theater. Now you may not have heard of OSD Audio, and if you have, it's most likely the parent company, which is Outdoor Speaker Depot. They mainly deal with, as the name suggests, outdoor speakers, outdoor subwoofers, things like that for outside of the home. Now this company is a branch off of the original OSD. This is Optimal Speaker Design, and they mainly deal with in-home audio. They are going to have mainly in-wall and ceiling speakers, amplifiers, and powered subwoofers. The black line of OSD is going to be their premier in-wall and in-ceiling speakers, their more powerful home theater subwoofers, and their higher quality amplifiers. Now their websites are going to be different and they're kind of hard to navigate, so I'm going to be leaving links for both websites as well as where I'm finding this product on their website in the description below. Be sure to check those out if you're wanting more information on either company, but for now we have a new product, a new knife, so let's get started. While taking the Trevoce J12 out of its well-packed double box, I want to note that the products from Optimal Speaker Design cannot be purchased directly off of OSD's website. They do have an online dealer called Whole House Audio, which does do direct-to-consumer sales, but OSD does have dealers throughout the United States and world which you can order items through. You can contact OSD through their website to see if there's a dealer near you, and I'll leave a link to Whole Home Audio in the description as well. Inside, you'll find the 3-prong power cable and owner's manual. The subwoofer comes well packed with 4 foam corner protectors and is covered in a cloth case to prevent surface damage during shipping. Now before looking over the Trevoce, let's talk about its design real quick. This setup has an active 12-inch woofer with 2 passive 12-inch woofers on opposing sides of the enclosure. This means that only one driver is powered by the attached plate amp, while the 2 passive radiators only move from the air pressure changing inside of the enclosure. They do not have a magnet or voice coil attached to the back. Passive radiators can be useful in small enclosures where you don't have the airspace for adding ports, and they help increase the SPL and lower extension of the system. The Trevoce J12 sits on 4 rubber feet, measures 16 inches wide, 15.4 inches tall, and 15 inches deep, and weighs roughly 38 pounds. Removing the front grille will reveal the 12-inch active subwoofer. The grille is held in place with compression fittings in each corner and is made of 3/4 inch MDF and black grille cloth. The 12-inch active driver looks to be a carbon fiber material with a nice rubber surround. I usually prefer not having grills covering speakers, but with the Trevoce, I actually preferred this driver to be hidden. Moving to the side, you'll find one of the 2 12-inch passive radiators. These have a much cleaner looking carbon fiber cone and are not covered by a grill, but they are also a lot nicer to look at than the active driver. Taking a closer look at the finish, OSD has wrapped this enclosure in a leather-looking vinyl that gives the Trevoce a little depth and texture. The matte black blends well with almost any room and really gives this a nice look in my opinion. On the back side, you'll find the 800-watt dynamic power plate amplifier. Towards the bottom is the power cable plug, power switch, and a selector for 110 or 220 volt depending on your power supply. Towards the top, you'll find both high-level inputs and low-level RCA inputs with a dedicated LFE input. That would be the preferred method for connecting to your receiver if using this sub for home theater. Below that are volume and crossover adjustment dials, as well as a 0 to 180 degrees phase switch. The Trevoce also has an on-off switch with an auto mode that will sense an input signal to turn on and then turn off after 15 minutes with no signal. The Trevoce from OSD comes in 3 different sizes. The 8-inch model retails for $7.99, the 10-inch for $9.99, and the 12-inch shown here for $11.99. All come with a 2-year limited warranty. Now right before posting this video, the guys at OSD provided me with a coupon code to get you 15% off the Trevoce J12. Be sure to enter Life of Bliss 15 at the checkout to get 15% off. A big thanks to OSD for sending this out and helping you guys save some money. So the Trevoce J12 is going to be going in my home theater and my living room setup over the next several weeks so I can get a good idea of how it performs and then come back with a full review for you guys. Let me know what you think so far down in the comments below, and this is actually the first of 2 products that OSD has sent me. The next one is probably the craziest product I've had in my home theater since I added the 24-inch subwoofers, so be sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on that. Gonna head you guys out with a little excursion demo of the Trevoce J12. Thanks for checking out Life of Bliss, and I will see you soon.